Hi friends, I wanted to do an update video for a long time. People have been asking me for years to show an update on my trailer. I did teak oil about 4 or 5 years ago. It may even be older than that by now. But my sweet daughter is helping me teak oil it again because I'm going to go put it into storage. So you can see where the teak oil is. It's super shined up. Be careful when you're doing this. She kind of overlapped there and you get a little bit of oxidation. So when you're doing stripes, the oxidation will come off and you don't want to get that on the color of your trailer. So if you're going to do stripes, do the stripes first and then don't touch them while it's still wet when you're doing the solid color of the trailer. What I wanted to show you was the shine that's still on the trailer. I cleaned it pretty well last time I did it and then I put teak oil on it and you can see there is a shine on it still. Now that's after 5 years and me not touching it. You can see where the teak oil was wiped on. This is just a damp cloth, not even very damp. If I washed the trailer, if I went around and wiped it, you would see the dust completely off. Look how shiny that is. That is just with this little damp. It's not taken much off other than a little oxidation. Actually, that might have been from where I wiped before. So basically, the teak oil did give it a really good coating and a good shine. By putting another coat on, I think it's just going to protect it all the more. It's been years, but you can see the shine is all over it. It still looks pretty good. I wouldn't go, wow, that's a really trashed old trailer. It's not spotless, but it is old. I mean, it's a pretty old trailer. So this is where the new teak oil is. She's just done this little area and then down here a little bit. And you can see it's quite shiny and quite clear for how old it is. And after you stand back a little bit, you can see like where you missed because there's a little oxidation there where she didn't get it in there. So she's just doing a super quick job. And then I wanted to show, this is where I fill it in with a Sharpie. This has actually got brown and a little bit of black on it, and then it just fills in the cracks, and then when you teak oil over it, it seals it in. So I wanted to show you that and how good it looks because a lot of people have asked me. And then let me show you the front where I've done the half of the front. So you can see here I've just put a little bit of teak oil right here just to show how it's shined up. This one I haven't filled in any of the brown or anything, but over here I just take Sharpie. Oh shoot. And filled in the brown on the trees where it had cracked. And up close you can see where I've done it, but this I haven't teak oiled yet. You can see if you stand back the difference of where the teak oil is over here to about there, and then I did not do the top where it's faded, more faded. So once I do the teak oil at the top, it'll make it pop and stand out a little bit better. So check out my blog, thesecretisgratitude.com, and I may have some on my YouTube channel. I can't remember if I made videos or not, but and I'm pretty sure I did. And just check out how faded this whole thing was. You could barely see the pictures 5 years ago when I teak oiled it, and the teak oil has maintained it even sitting in the sun. I don't cover it, and it's not indoors. This is sitting in the sun all year for 5 years now, and you can see where it's actually kept pretty good color considering. So this is an update to that teak oil video I did a while back. Yeah, now I know I did because people have been asking me, is your trailer still looking good? So we haven't, okay, so here's the stripes on the front, and this sits in the sun all the time. So the oxidation has taken its toll on the shininess of the painted part. But you can still see, if we angle it, there is still a shine to it. It's just oxidized, but it's not dirty because look at that. That's just the wet towel with the oxidation. So we're just teak oiling it again to get that off of there. That's just totally oxidized, but you can still see there's some shine considering it's been 5 years and I haven't done any waxing or anything, and it's literally been sitting in the sun and the weather and the snow and the rain. It's actually looking pretty good. So that's an update. Check out my YouTube channel, my blog, sorry, thesecretisgratitude.com. You can type in trailer and up will come all the different posts of how I fix it up and what I've done to it. So thanks for watching and have a blessed day.